Gutiri undu tangaja riu Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ari na rutha rwa gutuikania kona ciothe cia bururi kumatha kura cia giturwa kia president. Ni thutha wa mutumia wake Raila Odinga kumurekereria mbere ya rumiriri yake makiria ma 60,000 aria megwikinyitie kiharo-ini gia Kasarani gwikira wira Raila akianirira gukahuranira giturwa kia president.
I release Raila to you today.
I do hereby accept to present myself as a presidential candidate at the presidential elections on the 9th of August 2022, following the request and anonymous visit by
akiariria muingi hindi ya mambura maya aidani ashakaire mathina kiondorita maria magomeire bururi wa Kenya.
I know what he's capable of doing. And one thing, the passion that he's had for the many years, that's been over 40 years, is the love for this nation.
Niaugire Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM no uri na uhoti wa gwetha kihonia kia mathina maya mothe undu umwe na kugacirithia miturire ya Kenya.
For many years, Raila believes, let me call him like that, you'll excuse me if I don't put honorable. He believes that Kenya can be a good place, better than what we have today. And I know he's capable of making Kenya a better place than we have today.
Hidini oriu aidani ugire ngoro ya Odinga ni koretwo ikiga mbeũ njithi hakuhi na gwicurania uria mbeũ njithi mangiteithika kuhitukira guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
These young people, most of them need meaningful jobs. And the meaningful jobs can only occur if we perfect and resurrect our industries.
Aida niongereire kuuga ari na mwihoko wa ati wona Odinga aheo kanya ga gugatongoria bururi uyu ari na uhoti wa gwika mogaruruku na kugacirithia miturire.
We must put our act together. And my dear friend, Honorable Raila, I know you are capable of doing this and many more.
Girifotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.